How to print email messages in Gmail. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up the simple steps. So for that, you may open up your Gmail in any of your preferred browser. You may head over to one of the Chrome browser and open up mail.google.com and log in into your account. Once you are here, you may just go ahead and locate up the message that you would like to print. For example, this one right here. So just go ahead and open up one of the messages. After that, once you open the email, you can look for the print icon at the top of the email very easily. You can find it, click on it, and once you click on it, it will give you option to print it out. So you may select up your destination, how much pages you would like to print, similarly layout and color, and we have different other settings available as well. You may just go ahead and look out for the settings, and once everything is set up according to your preference, like how you would like it to be printed, you can click on print and it should be printed. So that is it. That is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.